In this video we are going to crochet this cute house that can be the perfect gift for your princess, or you can just use it as a cozy little decoration for your home. It is very easy to crochet, even if you are just starting out. The bottom, base, and walls form a single piece. Let's start crocheting the house from the bottom. The bottom is the part that will be sewn to the lawn. Work the bottom in the round, forming 4 corners with increases. See the screen. Base is the lower part of the walls, which is attached to the bottom separately on each side. To do this, using blue yarn. Work 37 back post single crochet stitches in the first round. Then work 4 rows in single crochet. There are 2 types of walls. The first is a wall with a window, and the second is a wall without a window. The wall with a window is made in 3 steps. Step 1, wall up to the window. Step 2, walls around the window. They are worked separately and joined together with a chain of 13 stitches. Step 3, the wall above the window. The second type of wall is crocheted the same way, but without a window. A triangle is the part of the wall under the roof. The triangle is worked from the center of the wall. Follow the pattern shown on the screen. The triangle is worked on the wall without a window, and on the opposite wall. Work the windows before assembling the house. The first row is crocheted clockwise, working a single crochet edging around. Then turn your work and continue crocheting in the opposite direction. Follow the instructions on the screen. You can also crochet the inside part of the window frame and glue the curtains inside the house. The door has an unusual shape. It's rectangular at the bottom and rounded at the top. For the straight side, work 25 stitches evenly in rows. For the curved side, make an arc by increasing, work 2 stitches in every third stitch to create a smooth rounded edge. You can work a border around the door with contrasting yarn and decorate it with a wreath made of crocheted flowers. For the roof, crochet a rectangle starting with 47 stitches. Glue the crocheted piece to the roof frame. We will share the cardboard frame dimensions in our YouTube community tab and Telegram channel. The roof of the crocheted house consists of the upper part, a large rectangle, and the lower part. To create it, work 2 rows of single crochet around the perimeter of the house using pink yarn. Assemble the house frame from cardboard. Tape it together with masking tape. Then place the cardboard frame inside the crocheted house. Glue the triangle to the cardboard frame using clear glue for instant bonding. The next step is to join the upper and lower parts of the roof. Use this pattern to join the roof along both of its shorter sides. Along the long side, the roof is joined with a raised slip-stitch seam, as shown on the screen. We usually think of a lawn as green, but for crocheted houses in general it can be pink, yellow, or blue, just like in our design. Work the lawn as a square, starting from the center. Form the corners using 3 chain stitches, as shown on the screen. Continue crocheting the square, working the corners in the same way. Make an increase in each corner to keep the shape even and maintain a neat rectangular form. Sew the lawn to the bottom of the house. The cutest part of crocheting is decorating the house with flowers. In this video, we will show you how we made the tulips and the forget-me-nots. Soon, we will release a separate tutorial on crocheting flowers on our channel. Give this video a like if you enjoy crocheting flowers, and follow us for more crochet projects. It would be very interesting to see the houses you have crocheted using this tutorial. Please send photos and videos of them to our Telegram, the link is in the description.